Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw Tuk Tuk from Raya and the Last Dragon. Cool Disney movie. But yeah, Tuk Tuk's a cool character on there, and I'm going to go over how to draw him, okay? Real simple stuff. Really, really simple stuff. He's going to be like half in his shell. So that's kind of a big part of it right there. He's basically, it's like an armadillo. So let's get started. I believe he's an armadillo. First thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw a flat portion right here for the top of his face. Actually, I think it's a roly-poly, sorry. Curve right here, a little tiny bit. That's going to be the top of his head there. And he's going to have little roly-poly ears and antennae. Okay. Going to go over here and find the side of his face, so pulling down. Zigzag here. Out over here. Zigzag here. Curve. Then we're going to curve right here for the chin. Just like a slight curve. See that? Very, very slight. And then it's going to merge over here to this side. Let's go around the center here, and I'm going to draw the top of his nose. Give me like a little bump there, top of the nose. Curve down. Curve down. Line over here at the top. Over here on this side, his eyes are pretty far away from each other. I'm marking kind of where I'm going to start drawing them. And I'll draw a line up. Curve. Down. Underneath. Okay. Go over here on this side. Up. Curve. Down underneath. Draw a circle here for the eye. The iris and pupil. Circle here for the iris and pupil. Line over here. Fill it in. Line over here. Line over here. Gonna go over here, smile. Right here. Over here on this side. Smile. Kind of the edge of the smile. What I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line like this. Line like that. Yeah, his face there. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button right now. I'm going to go over how to draw lots of stuff from Disney, lots of stuff from different cartoons, lots of different stuff from movies, more realistic stuff, objects. I draw everything on here. I go over and I teach you how to do this. Step by step. So hit that subscribe. There's nothing to lose. You can always unsubscribe later. You know what I mean? It's completely risk-free. Make this the video that you subscribe to. Subscribe on, you know? All right. So let's draw his roly-poliness now. I'm going to go over here, draw a line down. Line down over here. Curve up. Curve up. Curve line. Pulling up over here like a gap inside. Up and over. Pulling down here. Okay. Gonna go over here on this side. Curve. Shell over here. You're gonna see more of this side than you are on this side because it's gonna pile up. I'm gonna make the exact same shape but higher. Curve over, curve down, wiggle here. Over here on this side, same thing, up higher this time. Curve. Curve over here on that side. Same thing, it's going to be this line up here. Then the next one's going to start back there. Almost looks like a guy in a hat, but we haven't drawn his feet yet. I'm going to go over here, down, back here, in. Line down. Over here. The foot. Curve in. And at the tip here is going to have nails. Maybe like 3 of them. I'm going to fill them in dark like that. All right. Hit that like button if you as well. Likes are the fuel that runs the channel, so definitely hit like. You know, if you're able to, it helps the algorithm out and is just good for the channel, and also lets me know what you guys like and dislike. Curve over here for that back foot, and there's also going to be some nails sticking out the back. Over here, down, out over here, down over here, front, line over here. Let's see, I'm gonna fix this line up here first. But that's it. That is TUKTUK. Cute little character. I really like it a whole lot. If you've seen the movie, let me know if you liked it or not. Please, obviously you liked it if you're here drawing this long. And if you made it here this far, if you're literally hearing my voice right now, say hi to me in the comments right now, and I will know that you made it to this point. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Stick around for the announcement about the full courses on my Skillshare. See ya. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.